Hey guys, so remember I told you I'm gonna be doing a review video on the parts what I use, and I'm kinda like just showing you these parts and telling some features that they have. So first off, my motherboard. It's an MSI Z270A Pro. It has a socket of LJ1151. It has four USB 3.0s and two USB 3.0s in the back, and it supports Crossfire. So next up is my SSD. It's an 240 GB SSD from ADATA. Then for the SSHD is the Seagate Desktop SSHD. It's 1 TB. And as before, I was using a small hard drive. I'm not kinda using it, but it's in my computer, and when I need to put some files on it, then it's there. So for the RAM, I have DDR4 16 GB, Vengeance LPX memory, and it's running on 2400 MHz. Next is my graphics card, MSI GTX 1060 6 GB Gaming X Edition. As I was using before, it's Deep Cool Maelstrom 240T liquid cooler. It comes with these two fans, and they also have blue LEDs. Next is the ROC 750 ATX switching power supply. It's 80 plus gold. It gives you 750 watts of power, active PFC, and it's semi-modular. And as before, I'm using the Fractal Design Define R4 case with the old fans in there. They are still running quiet, and they're still cooling my computer and their parts perfectly. So yeah, I think that's it, and I think I will be seeing you in the next video, which is the PC build. See you guys.